Universidad Manuela Beltrán, Inglés Básico 2, Jessica Sicacha Díaz. Important Events in My Life. If the quarantine is over, then I am going to travel across the country. Meeting people, going to concerts and socializing is the best thing to do. When I finish my degree, I will have my own company. If I can, you can. I remember with great happiness the day of the birth of my new piece. They were special days for all my family. We met at home and gave them many gifts. Soccer has also brought me many joys. I have played many championships and I was also participating in events of the Bogota Soccer League. I have many friends. We here part of the teams and we had pleasant moments, but also sad honest when one of them suffered an injury.